As a safety director, I'm continuously on the look for learning material that I can use at different level, at different opportunity. For me, learning is a key aspect of improvement in safety. If I have an access to that quality material that I can use at different occasions, such as when a topic comes, coaching opportunities, I can pull out and use it within that context. Think of a library of high quality learning material that you can access easily, which is also customized and formatted for the needs of your establishment. That material will cover multiple different topics on safety area that they can be used as a safety moment in the meetings, when a learning opportunity arises, in the learning events to cover different subjects.